sorry, sorry, to your liquid you. Sorry, sorry, to your liquid you. I got some titties strapped into my dress. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an Owambe get ready with me, which includes skincare, makeup, not much hair, and outfit. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm getting ready for this Owambe that I am going for. My auntie is turning 80. Well, she's not exactly my auntie, she's more like a family friend auntie. She's turning 80 years old. There's cloth, ashwebi, there's this, there's that, so we're going all out today. King Sunny Ade is performing. It's one of those Owambes, so I'm getting ready for that. Please do not mind the sound of the fan or the AC. There's no way I can do my makeup in my room without having my AC on, or else I will die. So please just bear with me with the sound until I can figure out a good mic situation. Before we get started with today's video, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers, and I'd love to have you guys here with me on my side of the internet, you know, part of my little family. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you will always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. So let us get started because I'm kind of late already. First, I'm going to show you guys the skincare products I used off camera before I came to sit down. I cleansed my face using the U-Skin Vitamin C cleanser. This is a fantastic cleanser. It has vitamin C, rosehip oil, aloe vera, and licorice. It's a really good foaming cleanser. If you're looking for a new cleanser, try this out. You will not regret it, I promise. Then I used a pumpkin enzyme mask. This is the Banish pumpkin enzyme mask, one of my favorite masks for when my skin is feeling a little bit rough and needs a little bit of TLC. This mask does the trick. I have a discount code for you guys in the description box below, so check the description box. This is a brand that delivers to Nigeria, so I have to send something to my auntie who will bring it. No, they deliver here to Nigeria. So if you're interested in trying out Banish and their other skincare products, check out the discount code below. Now my face is nice and dry. I'm gonna apply some toner. I'm taking one of my last cotton rounds here, and I'm gonna be applying the Pixie Glow Tonic toner. I use this in the day, and I have noticed such a huge difference, believe me. So I just saturate a cotton pad and I just apply it all over my skin. Once the toner has dried on my skin, I'm going to move to the next step, and which is applying serum. This is the U-Skin Vitamin C serum. This is a 20% serum. A 20% vitamin C serum. Best thing about this is that it's a Nigerian brand, so you can get it here in Nigeria. I'm just gonna rub this all over my skin. I just love, like, as soon as I put on the serum, my skin just feels like moisturized almost immediately. Second to the last step is moisturizer, and the moisturizer I've been using for the past couple of months and I've been loving is the Simple Light hydrating light moisturizer. I don't even need much, just need like a tiny dollop. This is it. This is how much moisturizer I use on my entire face. Well, this is almost done, but this is for my mouth, like around my mouth and under my eyes. This is the Nikeo Lip Smoothing Eye and Lip Cream. Literally almost done. Like, I'm just scraping out the ends. And I'm just gonna apply this to my lips and around my mouth. And I'm gonna put some under my eye. Last but not the least in my skincare routine is the Banish Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. I love using this kind of like to refresh and add some glow back to my skin. Having nice, good skin under makeup just makes a big difference, to be honest. I don't use a lot of this because, again, I'm putting on makeup, but I like to put a little bit. So I'm just gonna spray a couple of times. And that just instantly, like, refreshes the skin. If you want to try any of the Banish products out, please check the description box below. I have a discount code for you. Alright, skincare done. I'm obviously gonna start first with my brows. One of the main reasons why I love filming in my room is because, like, everything is here. So there's no, oh, I forgot something and I have to go back upstairs to get it done. Everything is down here. Do you guys want a table tour of my room? It's not a beauty tour, it's like a table tour, like all the stuff that's on my table, like just showing you guys what I have and stuff like that. If you guys want that, let me know. As usual, I am first starting off by brushing my brows just to see what we have. Starting off with the Brown Davis pencil. Just going to fill in my brows. So how's everybody's December going? Let me know. I have been having a dirty December. If you guys know, I've been going out, partying, just enjoying myself and trying to live my honest to God blessed life. December is my favorite month because apart from it being my birthday, it was like the month where everybody just comes together and just has fun. December is what you make of it. December is it's fun, it's cool. If you know people and if you're ready to party, December is awesome. I was telling somebody the other day, the person was saying, wow, Deola, you go to a lot of events, you go to a lot of parties, and I'm like, I think it's the Sagittarius in me because I wish I could travel. I unfortunately do not have the funds to travel the way I want to travel. My wanderlust is satisfied by me going to different places and exploring and just having fun in Lagos. That is my form of satisfying my wanderlust. Alright, I filled in the base of the brow, so I'm going to go in with my black pencil, hair-like stroke, darken, and just fill in the end. Now I'm going to brush out my brows one last time so that everything kind of blends together. It looks really nice. Then I'm taking my angled brush. This is a Sedona Lace EB23. Then taking my House of Tara concealer, and now it's time to carve out some brows. Sometimes I have to go back so I can correct the arch. Then I'm going to take this flat Sephora brush and use it to blend out the concealer under my eyes. Then last but not the least, I'm going to take my spoolie and brush out the front of my brows so that we don't have boxy brows. I'm going to take some of the concealer I have left on the back of my hand and use that as an eyeshadow base. Today's look will be brought to you courtesy of the Afrique by Juvia's Place palette. I love this palette. It's so pigmented and you guys could see it. Like when I first used this palette on my channel, the comments were, that's pigmented, that's pigmented, that's beautiful, that's beautiful. Yes, probably one of the best shopping decisions I've made of my entire life. So we are gonna do a green look, but not a regular green look. So I'm first gonna start off with Aya, which is the matte yellow shade right here. I'm taking my fluffy EB13 brush from Sedona Lace. It's going right up here. Windshield wiper motions back and forth. Alright, I'm going to take a crease brush. Where is my crease brush? This is a huge ass crease brush, but I'm taking this big crease brush for a reason, because I'm gonna put some green in my crease. I'm gonna put the shade Niger in my crease. This is basically similar to the first look I did with this palette. Very, very similar look, but it's not the exact same look. I'm taking this green with my crease and going back and forth. This is the most pigmented green I've seen in my entire life. Then I'm gonna go back in with Aya. Just continue going back and forth with the green and yellow until I get it to where exactly I want it to be. The next shade we're going to use is this beautiful, beautiful shade called Coffee, which is a gold, a beautiful gold right here. So I'm going to take a flat edge brush and I'm just going to swipe it on my lids. This gold shade is probably the most beautiful gold I've used in my entire beauty blogger career. I'm going to go back in with that crease brush, which has a little bit of the green, and blend out that edge right there very slightly. Try not to move it too much, but I just want it to blend. This is such a vibey look. I love this look. This gold is just I'm gonna put glue on my lashes now so that they can dry by the time I'm done with everything I'm going to do. Still trying to figure out what lash I should use. I'm not really sure. I feel like using my all over wispy lashes, but I feel like using these ones. These ones are short in front and wispy at the edge. So I put my glue on a little platform here, taking the edge of the bottom of my brush, like I'm just taking the glue and applying it to the lash. While I wait for the glue to dry, I am going to first put on my wing liner. I'm going to be using the Yanga Beauty Carbon Black Liquid Liner. I'm almost out. So I'm just going to do a little, I'm not doing like a dramatic wing, I'm just doing like a simple wing. I love how I said I'm not doing long wings, and here I am, you know, just adding. Going to take some concealer to shape this wing. If you guys wonder how I get like my perfect wing, this is what I do. I apply and then I shape with a little bit of concealer. Then I take some mascara. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara, one of my favorite mascaras. Just gonna push these lashes into infinity. Now it's time to put on my lashes. Let's hope I put them on and they stay on. I don't like doing my lashes on camera because they take such an obscenely long time to put together, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it anyway. Yes, 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 yes. That worked so well. That was so scary. The way they just sat on. This lash wasn't ready, but this one is fine. I have to remove all the excess glue from my eyes. Since this lash is ready, I'm just gonna press the lash together with my real lashes so they mesh well. I'm going to reapply mascara to this lash because putting the glue and removing it kind of messed with it a bit. So while I'm waiting for this lash to dry, I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. I'm gonna start first with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and that's what I'm gonna put as my base. I have not bought primer yet. I applied the other lash quickly off camera because I didn't want to like waste time. Today's foundation is going to be an oldie but a goodie. It's almost done. I think it's actually finished, but I'm holding on to it. Like, I'm literally holding on to it. This is the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations of all time, and I love this foundation because it lasts all day and it has the most beautiful finish on my skin. Again, I told you guys it's almost done, so I'm literally squeezing out the last remnants. And the funny thing about this foundation is that a little bit goes a long way, which is why I've been able to like mines it really well. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, something that is almost done and I need to go and buy like 50 of. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, forehead, and chin. So instead of me using my Black Opal True Finishing Powder, I'm going to bake. But I'm going to do a very light bake. I haven't baked in so long. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. Set/bake under my eyes. Do I still have the Sasha Buttercup powder somewhere around here? Yeah. I still have the Sasha Buttercup. I remember when everybody was using the Sasha Buttercup. Woo! Then I'm going to contour. And I'm going to be contouring using the e.l.f. contour kit. I'm going to take my angled brush and dip into the darkest shade right here and contour my forehead and my cheekbones. I'm also going to contour my jawline because might as well. I'm going to be using the Younger Beauty highlighter Candid Glow in the shade Porkish. I feel like Porkish is the shade that was made for me and my skin. Porkish is the ultimate highlight for me. I'm going to be using two brushes to highlight because when I highlight with loose powders, I try my best not to go overboard. I'm going to take some highlight from the lid on my smaller brush, and I'm going to apply it first. And I'm going to take a little bit and just dot it right all the way here. So this is where I apply my highlight, like here. I carry it up. Also, this small brush allows me to apply highlights right under my brow bone. Just a little bit there. And that is literally all I need. What I'm going to do next is take my bigger highlight brush and blend. Then I'm going to take the excess and just do like this. Whatever is left on the brush, just add it up here. Alright, so we're almost done. We are almost done with the makeup. I forgot to wipe away the excess powder under my eyes before I applied highlight. But I'm just going to do this, you know, just help wipe away what I can. I need to finish up with the eyes. So I'm only going to use the green and the yellow shade under my eyes. I don't need to do anything else. I'm first going to take my bullet brush and take the green and just stamp it right there. So I'm going to dip into Aya, which is that yellow shade, and blend out the green. There we go. That is it. I'm going to take my Cutie Cosmetics Kajal and apply it to my waterline. And I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the mascara I used before. What is up here? Something is itching me up here. Alright, so I'm taking my mascara, applying it to my bottom lashes. So I'm going to take some of my finishing powder from Maybelline, and I'm going to blend everything together and set the rest of my skin. Now it's time for the lips. This look is already very, very colorful up there, so I'm definitely going to do a nude lip. First, I'm going to start off with a brown lip liner. Then I'm going to be using my favorite YSL lipstick. This is the House of Tara High Shine Lip Stain in the shade Cleopatra. I'm only going to apply a little bit of it. I've never used it before, but I think on top of this YSL lipstick it's going to look good. Yeah, this looks good. Last but not the least, I'm going to be setting my face with the Maybelline Super Stay Setting. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed me getting ready for this Owambe and you enjoyed me doing this look. I really like how it looks and I really like how it came out. The green is there, but it's very understated, plus it fits my outfit. I'll show you guys a proper view of my outfit after this right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, do not forget to be awesome. I love you guys. Bye.
Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh.